All right, my friends, today we're gonna be professionally single monitoring our arm. That's right, this 15-inch MacBook Pro's screen is way too big, which means it eats up into my beautiful monitor space. Previously, I've been using a book to put a stand on. I hate the way it looks. So enough of that. I'm gonna be sorting myself out. I'm gonna be sorting myself out with a professional monitor arm, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna smash up this monitor. So enjoy the show. Professional single monitor arm. A clamp to your monitor, JB Perils 10-year warranty. What the hell do I have to do with this? Oh my God. Maximum weight capacity supports up to 9 kg. That is perfect for my monitor, which is 6 kg without a stand. It's got USB ports and oh my God, I'm gonna have to set this guy up myself. I hate my life. At least it's all labeled, so you get part 2, part 1, part 3, 4, 5, and 8. Extra stuff. Whoa, this is heavy duty. This is what the arm will look like. How do you move it? Oh my days. You have to use a screw. So essentially, all you need to do is screw in the clamp, and I'll put on this little bit of rubber to protect the table. And that essentially is going to allow me to clamp in the desk like that, lock it into position. I'm just doing a dress rehearsal, so I'm running through without sticking it on. Go. Locked into place. Here you go. We got our little arm. We can move it 360, well, not really, 180 degrees. Oh, maybe. I don't know what's going on here. 270 degrees of motion around the back. And this one can move left and right. This can go as high as it goes, and it can go slightly lower. So now, next up, I guess, what I'm going to be doing is sticking this big, gigantic monitor. This big, gigantic monitor, I'm going to be sticking it onto this magical arm and seeing what it looks like. Oh man, hopefully I won't smash this up like my eGPU. Oh my God, this monitor's so big. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's right. I got some padding. So lay down some padding, and I guess this is just gonna be a screw job. Oh look, my screwdriver's a little thick. It's never happened to me before. Here you go, beautiful screw job over here. LG monitor, hope you've been satisfied. So I'm just freestyling this. Seems to me all I need to do is just put this like that. Is that how it works? Yeah, just slot it in. So ideally, you'd want a second pair of hands. Oh, thank you, hello. Look at that. Locked in. So I'm just reusing my old screws. So much. All right, so I've reused the current screws of the monitor. Hopefully, it'll be deep enough. More. Yeah, feels stable. Just gonna tighten it a bit more. I wish I used the longer screws, but my wife said, don't use the longer screws. Just use the ones you got, mate. Here you go. So it works. Slots in like that. Twists a bit like that. This could be a fun TV screen. Hello, welcome to the news. Now it will sync. That's what we're waiting for. It will sync and smash. So what you need to do is use your Allen key to tighten up this bit. Too heavy. Oh. Might be just right. Goldilocks. All right, so let's move this up here. Got a nice range of motion. It's still a bit heavy, so I'm gonna tighten up a little bit more. And to adjust this tilt to make it easier and smoother, just use this wrench. tight. It's the dumbest. Can I hold it here straight without the monitor smashing on my face? Okay, so we need to put the padding underneath.
Yeah, I got the monitor.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. You got it?
Should be in now.
Alright.
I'll change over.
I officially hate monitor arms. What the hell is this crap that we have to do? They don't show you this stuff on YouTube.
No.
They just make it look easy. Oh, my desk, Vaser mount, amazing. So is this is too close to me. So how do I move it back? I need to twist the back one further back. This one's further right. And then this one like this. Will this fit? Is it too close?
Feels really close to you. Right?
All right. So I need to make this one like this and this one like this. That's good distance, right? So what I need to do is I need to mount it further to the right so I can do that arm twisty crap. But in theory, this should be my new setup. A bit like that, a bit like this, and this should go up. Oi, oi, look at that. Look at that, officially. Something like that. So we just need to move it to the right. I feel like it wasn't worth it. I feel like I should have just got a stand. I might actually just go get a stand. And we're back. Woohoo! Surprisingly, I never damaged the monitor. Surprisingly. I miss this stand. Look, it's sturdy. You can like move it and nothing happens. You can play with it and it's still good. It moves up, it moves down. No squeaky sounds. It just works. The LG monitor stand. Beautiful, and it works. This is what you want. Because the thing is, if I want to move it closer to me, I can't. I gotta it'll always move to the left and then I'll need to unclamp it and move it to the right. If I was doing some sort of artsy fartsy kind of crap like this where I didn't give a crap, then it'd be fine, right? If I'm doing this kind of design, then it's easy, then you don't care what's going on.
I think I agree with you. I really agree. I'm sorry, babe. This was fun, but...
That was my review of the professional single monitor arm and monitor arms in general. They look good, but they're probably more hassle than what it's worth. It looks cool, just feels a little bit unstable. It does look cool though. I don't know. What do you think?
It's stable. 100%, it's not stable enough for you.
It's just a shame you can't move it around so fluidly.